Hi everyone, today is Tuesday and we're going to go over what we started yesterday and then learn a little bit more about opinion writing. So first of all, I want to point out that when we start an opinion, we have a topic sentence. That means we introduce what we're going to be talking about. So in our sentence stems, we would say, in my opinion, I think blank. Okay, so after that, we're going to have reasons why we like or don't like something. So you're going to give detail sentences. Now we're trying to get 2 or 3 detail sentences. That means telling why you like it or don't. And then last of all, we want to make sure we have a conclusion because that helps readers know that we're done talking about what we like. So once more, opinion writing. The purpose, the reason why we do this, is to tell others what you think and try to convince others to agree with you by giving reasons and details to support your opinion. So it's trying to get someone to think what you think. So opinion writing, we were working on the best outdoor activity. We had a lot of choices, from bike riding to jumping through sprinklers, playing in snow, swinging, hide and seek, swimming. So you'll remember I chose swinging. And then here was my circle map that I made yesterday. I was brainstorming or thinking up all of the reasons why I like to swing. So this is a graphic organizer. That means it's going to help you figure out how to write your paragraph. So for my opinion, I said the best outdoor activity is swinging. So this is my topic sentence, that's my opening. So I'm going to say the best outdoor activity is swinging. That's what I said. Okay, so there we go. So then it says reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. So I want to give 3 reasons why I think swinging is the best thing to do outside. So I'm going to start by looking at my map. So I said it's like a ride, you can exercise, you get to take turns, you pump your legs, you get to be up in the sky, you can play on a swing lots of different places, and you can feel the wind on your face. So I'm going to choose 3 of those and list them here. So the first one I want to look at is I'm going to say I like to be up in the sky. So I'm going to get my pencil, and the first reason is I like to be up in the sky. Okay? So maybe other people don't like it. Like is an important word. That's telling you that's how I feel. Okay, let's look at another one. Okay, let's see. Pump my legs. Well, you can do that with a bike in a different way. You can move your legs. So I think I'd rather choose there are lots of places, because you don't have to do it only one place. So I'm going to write that. You can swing at a park. Actually, that's a fact. So let me fix that, because I need to say like I like, or it's awesome. I love that you can swing. That I can swing lots of places. So once again, my word telling you my feeling is love. Because it is a fact. Yeah, you can swing at the park or maybe at your house. But if you say you love it, that's an opinion. Okay, let's look at our next one. So my last one that I really like is I love to feel the wind on my face. So I'm going to put that. It is so fun to feel the wind on my face. Okay, so once again, my emotion is I'm saying it's fun because not everyone likes to swing. So those are my reasons. Now I'm going to do my conclusion. Blank is a great activity for me. So we were talking about swinging, so I'm going to put swinging right here. Swinging, and don't forget it's a capital, it's the beginning of a sentence. So let's read our paragraph. The best outdoor activity is swinging. Reason 1, I like to be up in the sky. Reason 2, I love that I can swing lots of places. Reason 3, it is so fun to feel the wind on my face. Conclusion, swinging is a great activity for me. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at your own map, look at your own circle map, and choose 3 reasons why you think whatever you chose is the best. So for example, the example they had yesterday was hiking. So they chose hiking. So they said the best outdoor activity is hiking. And here are the reasons. Nice scenery, good exercise, fun to do with friends. So you're just going to list 3 reasons from your map, just like I did. And then their closing, hiking is a great activity for me. Hey everyone, we'll learn more about this tomorrow. See you then.